Good day, and thank you for joining us in another MYOB Advanced training video. In this video, we will have a look at how to review your stock items and the financial details thereof. In one of our previous videos, we have learned how to create and release inventory transactions. After these transactions have been finalized, we need to review our stock items. In your MYOB Advanced system, navigate to Inventory, Inquiries, and click on Inventory Transaction History. On this inquiry form, you can view detailed information about transactions posted within a selected period. On the inquiry form, select your inventory ID and the start date of the transaction that you would like to view. You can also filter according to the warehouse and location. Once you have completed the fields, you will be able to view all of the transactions that was released during this period. In the inventory module, when transactions are released, journal transaction batches are created and updated to the general ledger. To have a look at the financial details of these transactions, you can navigate back to any of the transactions you have released and, on the form, click on the Financial Details tab. You will see that a batch reference number has been generated. Click on the batch number hyperlink. This will navigate you to the Journal Transactions form, where you will be able to view the details of a transaction that has been updated to the general ledger. This concludes our training video on reviewing your stock items and the financial details thereof. Please let us know with your feedback, and please join us again for more as we explore MYOB Advanced through our training videos. Thank you for watching.